doing a repair attempt today. Mariana Barnes, April 17th, 2026, 1:30 p.m. I've marked X here where the shingle is wind damaged and the shingle that we'll be replacing, as well as adjacent shingles that may be affected by the repair. 3-tab shingle discontinued, using a laminate to make the repair. Worth noting that shingle is a longer length, and doing the best with what we have. I'm going to place the shingle out of our work zone. We are in Arizona, so phone overheating can be a problem. You may see me check my phone periodically. For the repair, be using a hammer, putty knife to break the seal so we can get up underneath to make the repair. Our snake tool, both the installation side and the extraction side. Everything you see me doing with this shingle, the manipulation is going to come from the snake, and you will not see me use my hand to create any lifting. The snake will do that for me. Chalk and 1 1/4 inch nails to make the repair, and we'll get started. Just gotta make sure the seals are broke. Okay, there's going to be nails staggered across the nail line, top to bottom. I'll point them out as I go. You won't ever see me use my hand to lift. You may see me scoot in this way, but I will not be prying. I'll just be trying to get a look at the nails. Again, as you can see, the snake's doing all the work. Okay, so got nail here and nail here. Okay, we got a top nail here. As you can see, the higher lines are a little bit more invasive into the system. Okay, we got a bottom nail here. Top nail here. Okay, and one more here at the bottom. Okay, got one holding this up here. Again, the snake's doing all the work here. Okay. Got one more up here. Okay, shingle's been extracted. to make sure our area is smooth for the new shingle. We're going to replace the old shingle, get it out of the work area. Okay, got our new shingle. Phone doesn't look to be overheating. Alright, we'll make the install of the new shingle. Okay, shingle is lined best as possible, and overlapping a bit on the right side. We'll be taking the installation side using our 1¼ nails. I'm going to install 6 nails, same thing, staggered across the nail line, bottom to top. And we'll start with top nail, top nail line. Okay, bottom nail line. Same thing, the top nail line is a little bit more invasive to the system, as you can see. Still letting the snake do all the work for the install side. Bottom nail line. Okay, as you can see, granules are falling. It's a brittle system. Last one. Okay. Attempted repair is complete. Okay, so you can see some of this creasing here on the above and adjacent shingles.